For question 4, what you should do is to make sure you have this angle calculated, because we always measure angle between the light and the normal. So this is 30, and this is angle B, and this is angle C. Since the critical angle is 42, recall that if the angle of incidence is more than 42, you get total internal reflection. Equals to 42, the light ray will be moving along the interface like that, 90 degrees. And if the angle of incidence is smaller than 42, the light will be able to exit the glass, move out of the medium. So in this case, when we calculate, 30 is less than 42, so the light ray should go out. For B, because the light rays are 90 degrees, so I know that this must be angle of incidence, so that should be 42. And the last one, the light ray, what we see here is total internal reflection, so I know that C is equal to 70, because angle of incidence and angle of reflection should be the same. So that will give us the choice C over here. Question number 5. The focal length is given to be 6 cm. Since the object is placed 3 cm away, from what we learned in class, if your object distance is shorter than the focal length, which means you put your object nearer to the lens compared to the focal length, you are actually using it as a magnifying glass. So what are the characteristics of a magnifying glass? It will be upright, virtual, and of course magnified. So because this is virtual, so it cannot be formed on the screen. The next question, a simple way of looking at it is this. The light that comes from one point of the object will meet at the same point of the image. So since the light comes from the arrowhead, it should go to the arrowhead. Now if you look at Y and you look at Z, both light rays did not come from the arrowhead, so they should not be meeting at the arrowhead. So therefore this is wrong and this is wrong. And anyway, we also know that this ray is wrong because they didn't say that this is the focal point. So only light rays that pass through focal point will become parallel. Therefore, Y and Z is wrong and only X is right. So the answer is